Imagine one tool that can flip your worst review into a glowing 5-star story. Stay tuned to see how Alex did it. Watch the full video. Meet Alex, a hard-working business owner. He's busy running his restaurant, managing staff, and serving customers all day long. But when it comes to replying to online reviews, he barely gets the time. So, he replies quickly, sometimes even improperly. Look at this one. A genuine review, but his reply? Not so great, even though Alex meant well. His rushed and unpolished reply makes his business look unprofessional. And that's what most business owners face today. Poorly written replies can silently hurt your business reputation. So why waste hours replying to every single 1-star or 2-star review when you can let AI handle it for you? Infotech Launch presents the AI-powered review management system. From writing to replying, our AI takes care of your reviews end-to-end. Look how our AI replies. Every message sounds on-brand, professional, and positive. Words that connect. Tone that builds trust. And replies that keep customers coming back again and again. This is how our AI crafts every message. Polite, emotional, and perfectly aligned with your brand's tone. No copy-paste templates. Just authentic, human-sounding replies every time. And yes, you're still in control. With our app, you can view, edit, and approve every reply in one place, with the brand memory tone. Didn't like how AI wrote it? You'll have other options to choose from. Just hit approve, and your perfect reply is posted instantly. But wait, we're not stopping there. Let's take it to the next level. What if your 5-star reviews became your influencers? Our system automatically turns glowing customer reviews into creative social media posts, helping your brand shine while giving every happy customer special attention. And yes, it really works. One of our clients even saw a customer upgrade their 1-star review to 3 stars after our AI-crafted response. We can't promise it happens every time, but it proves the right words can make a big difference. So, are you an Alex too? Scan the QR code on your screen and fill out the form. Let Infotech Launch help you grow your business without interruptions, without stress, just pure, smart, AI-powered reputation growth. Infotech Launch, where your business speaks with the perfect voice.